Welcome back to Miss Kate Cuttables YouTube channel. Today we are working on some Disney t-shirts. So we're going to Disneyland in a couple of days. So last night my kids and my husband and I made some different Disney t-shirts. So I'm going to show those later on. I'm going to get my kids to put the t-shirts on and come model for you guys. So this is the one that I did for me last night. It's just a cute little Mickey and Minnie silhouette. This is from the Cricut Store. So I am going to do another one from the Cricut Store of just a Mickey Mouse. I already have my black and my red glitter. I'm making like a pocket size Mickey just to go on the side. I didn't want like a giant one, so I have these two. I'm only going to use two colors. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and look at my layers. These are all of my different layers. I know I don't need this one because it is just the shadow background layer and I don't need that. I am going to select this one and command and select this one, and then I am going to slice them. So you can see how it already turned this one into a silhouette. So what I want to do is I want to use the little tiny red pants as well. I don't need this layer anymore. I don't need this layer anymore. So these are the ones that are still connected. So I'm going to slice these, and I'm going to delete this one. Delete that one, and then I'm going to put his shorts back up here. This is the Mickey we are going to cut out, and I have him at about 5 inches. So I'm going to come over here and click on the color sync, and then that will show me that I have 2 different colors. Okay, and then we are going to come over here, and I need to turn the mirror on. So I'm going to do that right now before I forget on both of these. Okay, so I have about a 5 by 5 square I need to cut out. So I'm going to get my black glitter iron-on transfer, the Cricut brand, and I'm going to put the glitter face down. Okay, so we have the black glitter done. So now we're going to go to the red glitter, and it's just a tiny little 2 by 2 square. So Mickey's little shorts are small, so I cut my glitter iron-on down smaller. I'm just going to put him right here. Okay, so I am done with my cutting out. I forgot to show you guys my little Mickey earrings. Can you see those? I'm going to put those on. I got those for my birthday at Disneyland a few years ago. Anyway, so now you guys know that the hardest part of doing these is the weeding. So I'm going to weed this and I will speed it up. Okay, I think I got all of the Mickey done, and I'm going to do just his little shorts right here. I don't know if you guys have a better way of doing this, but I want to iron this piece down with this piece. So since it's such a small piece, I'm just going to take it off of the backing. And then I'm just going to add it to this plastic backing, like a little puzzle piece. If you guys have a better way of doing that, let me know. Someone asked in the comments if they needed a giant iron like this to do this stuff. You don't. This is just what I have. I'm using it. It's my mom's. Okay, so we're preheating it up so you can see that this is where I'm going to put my Mickey Mouse. So it's just kind of right here on the, like a pocket square. You need to preheat your material for about 15 seconds before you do the heat transfer. So I am just going to preheat my shirt, and then I'm going to put him down. Kind of want to make sure I'm putting him in the right spot. So you need to protect your iron-on from the iron. So you just put a cloth over on top of it, and then you iron it for about 25 to 30 seconds. Then you flip over your material and do it from the other side. That should be enough, but you don't know until it cools and you start pulling it off. So I'm going to let it cool down. I'm going to move my iron back over. Okay, we're going to wait for him to cool down before we try to pull the plastic off. Okay, so there he is. So now you guys can see I have a glittery Mickey on my t-shirt. So stay tuned. My kids are going to be modeling their t-shirts and I will be back. Okay, did you guys see how my shirt turned out? Now you can meet my family. Okay, this is Gracie, Owen, Millie, Oliver, and Jeff. Jeff's is
Mickey and Pluto.
Pluto and Mickey. Owen's got the
Jack Skellington.
Yes. Gracie is an Eeyore fan. Okay, Millie has Mickey and Minnie. And then Oliver, last but not least, has Mickey on the front and flip around. And his bum on the back. I am forcing my family to wear these Disney shirts and I'm going to take lots of pictures. So when we go to Disneyland, what's your favorite part of Disneyland? Which land?
Lightning McQueen.
You like Cars Land?
Yeah.
What do you like?
Adventureland.
Millie?
Frontierland.
I like two lands.
Critter
me.
Country.
Critter Country.
Oh, Critter Country.
Critter Country.
What's your favorite land?
I like Frontierland.
I like Fantasyland. So what's your favorite ride?
The big one where you race on the Lightning
Radiator
McQueen.
Springs? You
Yeah.
act like you don't know what they are.
We
only go to
Radiator
Disneyland, like-
Springs Racers.
Okay, what's your favorite?
Ride?
Yeah.
Indiana Jones.
Millie?
Indiana Jones or Splash Mountain.
I like Splash Mountain. too.
Indiana Jones or Splash Mountain.
Mommy.
I like
Owen.
I like Thunder Mountain.
I like Peter Pan and I love Thunder Mountain.
I like
and
Splash Mountain.
I love Pirates and I love the Haunted Mansion and I like everything but parts of Tomorrowland.
Nothing wrong with him. He really is just hyper.
There is something wrong. Okay. So I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know if you guys have any tips and tricks when it comes to iron-on. I'm not an expert, so if you guys have any ideas for me, then let me know. Subscribe if you haven't done that. So hopefully I will be uploading while we're at Disneyland. I don't know about the 1 minute makes. I will try. I will be taking pictures for Instagram, so wait for that. And I will see you next time. Thanks.
Why does everyone like that ride so much more than the rest of them?
Peter Pan.
Peter Pan.
Yeah, like Snow White
It's
is like
just
10 minutes.
It's so
nostalgic.
cute.
But isn't like Snow White and Pinocchio
No,
too?
it's better because you're
Oh, yes,
flying.
I have to bend over.
All right. They all wanted to put other ones on.
Can't wait.
Okay, so if you're going to be at
Oliver, don't.
Disneyland over the weekend, come say hi to us.
Camera.
And we're going to put lots of pictures up.
I want.
Okay.
Oh.
There you go. Yay! Okay, show your hands. You made it wrong. No. Is this like a speed thing? This is just like when I'm talking. That is so cute. Okay. So, resist the bite. Oh, yeah. Keep down. Come on, this one. Okay. Okay. Who has this? It's mine. Oh, hands. Where goes? Hands. Like wait, you need to put the cloth on it. Right. Get the cloth on it. Okay, now, both hands. Oh, see that? Well, see. Okay, well, just I'm filming. I fast like that. No, slower. Nice. You are going to take a long time.